Hi, I'm going to show you how to install Haskell in your Linux system. So before continuing with Haskell, let's install VS Code in your system. Okay. First, open this URL. Here, there is a step-by-step instruction how to install VS Code. Okay. So in Linux, we need to do this installation through terminal. Let me open this terminal. So when you open the terminal, by default it will open with your home path. Okay. Let me copy this code, paste in your terminal. It will ask you for your system password. Once you provide your password, click enter. Then wait for some time. It will start installing VS Code in your system. Once it is done, check the version. Copy code space double dash version. Once you do it, it will show you the installed VS Code system version. Okay. After that, we'll do a update. So you can copy this sudo apt update and click enter. It will update your system according to your new installation. Okay. So next we'll do this package all the dependencies that is required for VS Code. Wait for some time. It will complete the installation. Okay. Now we need to install this VS Code. So do sudo apt install code. Once you copy it, paste it inside your terminal, click enter. So it will took some time to install this application. Let's wait for some time. Okay, I think it's 20%. Now 60%, 80%. Okay, now I think it is successfully installed. You can see in the left side panel, I got this VS Code logo. Okay, so I think it's successfully installed in my system. Let's open VS Code. Once you open VS Code, then go to settings, extensions. Here in our extension, we can search for Haskell. So here we have first one is Haskell, then Haskell Legacy. We need to install the first one. Once you click on this one, you will get a install button here. On click of that, it will install Haskell in your system. Okay. So now close your application, open the VS Code again. See, I have some programs which have Haskell extension and it's automatically opening those codes in HS extension. Okay. So that means we do install Haskell in VS Code. Let's install Haskell in our system as well. Okay. So open this haskell.org gscope. So in this URL, you will find all the details regarding how to install Haskell in different platform. So it will give you the options. Here there is a button called installation. If you click on that, it will show you the proper uh, command to how to install your Haskell in your in your system. Okay. So let me copy this one. Go to my terminal. Let's clear it. Paste it. Click on enter. So when you click on enter, it will give you like welcome to Haskell, some of the scripts, and it will ask you to press enter. Once you press enter, it will ask you these options PAN and help. So you can enter capital P, and then again it will ask for, then again enter Y, again enter Y, and in the last you need to enter, press enter. Once you've done that, wait for some time. In the backend, it will store Haskell in your system. Let finish this download, and I think once it is complete this download, then automatically it will install the Haskell. Okay. So here you can see the path where it is unpacking Haskell in your system. You can see it is saying /home/Biswajit. So this is my home path where it is extracting the Haskell package. So it will took some time to install all the dependencies and everything in your system. Okay. So let's check if it is installed or not. So we can check the versions, and we can go here and we can do gh space version. So once you do that, it will give you the version name, the GHC Haskell installer, and version is this one. Okay. So now here in this way you can install GHC Haskell in your Linux system.